I'm pretty sure this is haram because I'm hurting myself.
No.
And that's haram.
It's detox.
Give me some. So I already put water in here, and I'm gonna put this in front of you so you don't think I'm cheating you. This is what makes it spicy. Here we have some turkey spam, and then we have an egg, soft boiled, and then we have some seaweed. Love seaweed. And then I found these really cool non-gelatin jelly, what is it called? Jelly sticks, jelly worms, I don't know, but I tried one. They're delicious. We're eating them together. And then I have chocolate milk just to kind of make me feel better about things. I vlogged a lot of it. I don't know if it's a vlog that's postable because I don't know how to like approach that vlog. Okay, I'm gonna get everything in there, every last drop. Alright. Oh, by the way, fun fact about me. I can't even eat spicy food. Like on my kebab, I always say like no spice because I'll die. Like I can't even do medium. Salsa, can't even do medium. So for me, I don't know why I'm doing this. I tried to do this one time before with my husband, and I took one taste of it, and then I absolutely started to cry, and I protested, and I said I wouldn't do it again. But I thought, you know what? Let me just man up and try and do it this time. So yeah. Okay, this is, I guess, the spicy. I got some on my finger. Okay. Ew, look at that. People actually eat this for fun. I've seen it. Proof. People think this is good. People eat this. Like, oh yeah, I eat that all the time. It's so good. It's not even spicy. Okay. I feel like Asian people are really good at eating spice. I mean, like, my Pakistani sisters out there, y'all are really good at eating spicy food. This already looks like it's going to burn me. Like, I hate it already. So I'm just gonna take this off. Yeet. Yeet. And then I'm going to mix it. Okay, I'm gonna get to eating because you guys are here to see this. You click the title, because look at that! Look at that, honey. Do you want, oh, this is gonna fall.
That's fancy.
Do you want to try one? It's so good.
In 2 seconds, I'm gonna wash this one.
Bismillah.
Is it fun?
One of the spices from the noodle had fallen into this and I just bit into it.
Yeah.
Delicious jello thingies.
Not give me with a spice.
What?
With a spice.
Here.
No fancy.
It's fun and it's good. It's like burning my eyes in it. I'm not even eating it yet. Why did I do this? Bismillah.
Because it's fun.
I'm losing my...
No way you're gonna eat that. It helps. She's losing it. Wow, open. Did you actually eat? Wow, what a champ. Okay. She doesn't even know I have to stir it.
I don't like chocolate milk unless it's not black in the bottom. I've been that way since I was a baby.
More powder.
Why don't you mind your own business, huh? How about that? My chocolate milk is my business.
This is really good. I'm surprised. It's your second big bite. Wow. First time she didn't even chew anything. Just put the sauce on the tip of the tongue and tapped. Do you think she's gonna finish? Comment below.
I'm
right
enjoying
now.
this lovely meal. Breathing makes it worse. 100%.
Stop it. The hell?
I don't know. But I feel like if I eat it all together, it's gonna be good.
Mix it up. You need some jam too?
No.
Honey, you're doing so good. I'm impressed. Really. I'm impressed.
I didn't think I would do it, huh?
Well,
My stomach hurts.
that's good. It's gonna be worse tomorrow.
No.
You're actually doing it.
No.
You tap? No.
I can't do it.
Yeah. You're almost finished. Nana. Do we have ice cream for later? What the champ?
I'm lactose intolerant. All of this should be fun later.
Lactose and spicy food. Let's go.
My insides are burning. I can't.
Yeah, a few more.
I can't do it.
Yes, a few more.
Add tap.
No. Let me see.
I'm pretty sure this is haram. Because I'm hurting myself.
No,
And that's haram.
it's detox.
Give me some.
ASMR now. Eat it.
You guys got to see me eat this. The worst ever. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this and if you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. You can leave a comment in the comment section. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Salam alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And that was all we had for now. Let us know what more content you guys want down in the comment section. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel if you already haven't. Love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.